Welcome to Alexa's Tech Room. Nice and compact, but could be louder. GUZARE Boat Marine Stereo Receiver Bluetooth 45x 4 watts Audio FM Gauge Waterproof Radio Tuner Streaming for boats, golf cart, ATV, UTV, and spa hot tubs GUZARE 304. The item is sold by GUZARE. Product linked in the description below. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Marine Gauge Stereo RECIEV it's 66 water resistant, well sealed to avoid fogging moisture inside the screen. 180 watts power, 45 watts x4 max power. Media playback, plays Bluetooth USB 3 WMA MF and no CD player. Play music via the USB port or tune into the FM radio stations for up-to-date news sports and more. Input types includes several audio inputs such as USB, RCA, AM, FM, and Bluetooth audio sources. Specifications: diameter 3, 5 inches, mounting depth 1, 6 inches, mounting hole cutout 3, 1 inches, 4.4 out of 5 stars. This item has a total of 85 reviews. Product linked in the description below. The first review is from G Kim. Nice and compact, but could be louder. 4.0 out of 5 stars. I like how compact it is. Installed in my rib boat, but it doesn't pump out too much volume. But it's great to have a compact waterproof Bluetooth radio on the dinghy. This review is from Tom. Good basic stereo. 4.0 out of 5 stars. Admittedly, I used cheap speakers, but this thing does what I needed. It filled a hole in my dashboard, and now I have tunes at the helm station on the boat. I did have to make the hole very slightly larger than the specs said. The controls are very basic, and you'd need the manual to do anything beyond change volume or advance to the next track. This review is from Kenneth Alexander. Affordable. 4.0 out of 5 stars. Perfect for what I needed it for. This review is from Edstoner. Works good. 3.0 out of 5 stars. Radio was easy to install and works good. Only issue is that after it got wet overnight, it did eventually dry, and I added a console cover, but it's supposed to be waterproof sealed. Still works good. This review is from On. Really good. Plenty loud as a standalone for 2, 6, 5, and even 8 CVID pictures. 5.0 out of 5 stars. The media could not be loaded. I left another 5-star review for the 6, 5, but loud enough with the deeper frequency of the 8. Unless you are doing something special, I really don't think you'd need an amplifier. Maybe on a wakeboard boat, but yeah, this setup is much better than a 300 home theater system. Very happy with the purchase, and I took the chance on an item with very few reviews. Review written from Houston, not China, wasn't paid, gifted, or compensated. 5 speakers included in the video and pictures. This unit and amp sound better than 50 of the cars I've owned and 100 of the cars I've rented. No issues or funny games with the Bluetooth connection. The unit has a whole lot of wire-connected options, most of which I've just cut off to save the much-needed space. It has connections for 2 front and 2 rear speakers. I had some issues wiring it, as I wasn't sure what the yellow cable meant, but I just connected the red and yellow together to the 12 of red, and it worked fine. I currently have this unit hooked up to a pair of 8, and they sound awesome. Not as loud as the 6. This review is from Amazon customer. Size does matter. Lol. 5.0 out of 5 stars. Man, the delivery time and price were great. I have not installed yet. Still have to build the console for it, but I can tell now the unit is perfect size, and if it works as good as it looks, it'll be a happy camper. Thanks so much. This review is from Musilton. Works great. 5.0 out of 5 stars. Installed in my center console after testing in my basement, even with a soft, flexible antenna. Works great, easy install. Love the detachable connections for power and speakers. Need switch for power cord or you will lose memory. Not sure memory is important for a boat stereo. Seeks great and gets a ton of channels. This review is from Michael W. DOA 1.0 out of 5 stars. The unit I received was DOA. This radio was the perfect size and looked like the product that I needed. After attempting to install and play, I was disappointed it would not power up. I returned this unit and recorded a unit very similar in size. It is made by BSS. This review is from Nijamatic. Arrived in open package with scratch on face. 1.0 out of 5 stars. Obvious this was a previously returned package. Item had scratch on front and package was distorted. Returned and ordered from different vendor. When I buy new, I expect it to be new. This review is from K. Scott Hillman. Great compact system. 5.0 out of 5 stars. I was looking to buy a clock for my '86 Suzuki Samurai, but I got a whole compact sound system with clock for far less than an OEM Suzuki clock. Fits perfectly where the OEM clock goes. Sounds great with the 4-speaker system and no amp needed, as this unit is plenty loud enough. USB, Bluetooth, and RCA inputs allow you access to all modern devices. I even plug in my turntable to play records when camping and tailgating. Easy to install and easier to use. It more than suits my needs and should also serve you well if you have a boat or RV. It's been over a year since I installed this radio and have no issues, just pleasure. Boat Bluetooth Marine Stereo Radio FM M3 Player Auto Sound System for ATV, golf cart, yacht, boat, motorcycle. This gauge style AM/FM USB multimedia receiver easily slides into current gauge openings or cup holders. This smallest marine stereo ever is portable media ready and features AM/FM radio, USB, and AUXIN for connecting portable media devices. Inch 78. 5-dimension mounting depth 1. 6-inch 40 ohm AM/FM radio built in 1812 prisits. Standard size. What's in the box? 1x marine digital media receiver, 1x aluminium fixing bracket, 2x ISO connector, 1x instruction manual, installation mounting top plate diameter 3. 5 inches cutout diameter 3. 1 inches mounting depth 1. 6 inches total depth included the top plate 2. 0 inches. IP6 water resistant, well sealed to avoid fogging moisture inside the screen. Bluetooth audio streaming, play and control music and apps like Spotify, Pandora wirelessly. Plays Bluetooth, USB 3, WMA, AM/FM, no CD player. Operates at 4x 45 watts. Solid aluminum chassis and IP66. Salt fog rating for durability. Ideal for smaller fishing boats, cuddy cabins, and pooks. The multimedia receiver is also perfect for ATVs, golf carts, RVs, and more. R304 Boat Bluetooth Marine Stereo Radio Specifications Model. R304 Color, Black Waterproof Level, IP66 USB Features, Support 3 fits, Engage Opening Power Supply DC 12 Frequency Range FM 87. 5M Zone 100 IPSM 500 Theatums Venting Tanks Radio Response Bandwidth US and EUR meets ASTM Bone 117 South Fog Standard meets ASTM 4000. 329 dimensions mounting hole 3. Product linked in the description below. Our first question is from GUZARE Direct. How does the Bluetooth pair with your device? This marine stereo supports Bluetooth for wireless music streaming from your iPhone or Android or similar Bluetooth device. Connecting steps are as follows. Press mode button to switch to the BT Play. Connecting steps are as follows. Press mode button to switch to the BT Play. See more. This marine stereo supports Bluetooth for wireless music streaming from your iPhone or Android or similar Bluetooth device. Turn on the Bluetooth on your Bluetooth device. Scan for the unit Bluetooth name is GUZARE304 by using your Bluetooth device. Select the unit Bluetooth name. GUZARE304 connection then will be made automatically. See less product linked in the description below. For more content like this, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you are notified of new uploads. We upload new videos every day. See you next time.